Hi, my name is Sarah Mel. I live in Salina, Kansas. I have two kids, one that graduated from high school last year and one that is 20. I have been teaching for this is my 8th year. I taught 5th grade at Oakdale Elementary in Salina. It was a Title I school. And then I did that for 3 years and taught 4th grade after that for 3 years at the same school. And now I'm in my 2nd year of teaching ESL at Schilling Elementary. And it is also a Title I school, and it has the highest population of ESL students in the elementary level in Salina. My goals are to finish my master's. It is towards the library media specialist. So I would like to stay at my current school and eventually teach or do library there. And if not, since both my kids are out of the house now, I'm prepared to go wherever life leads me. As far as technology, I really enjoy using technology in the classroom. I use Google Classroom. I like to engage students with technology and save paper, and they seem to enjoy it more. It's a lot more engaging usually. I use Kahoot and quizzes quite a bit to review grammar and different things with my students, and they really enjoy it. I hope to learn a little more about technology and how to use it in the classroom more to help the students be successful. And that's pretty much all I have for my introduction. Thank you.